Hey guys, it's Lucas here and welcome back to another video here on the Eurow YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient with our premium products. If you're like me, you'll love a clean home, but you don't always have time to deep clean those nooks and crannies. Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you must-have products that will make your deep cleaning process fast and effective. So whether you have pets, kids, or a general household mess, these essentials will make your space sparkling in no time. Let's get started. First up, we have the Microfiber Commercial Cleaning Towels. This is a 12-pack with 4 different colors, and each towel is 300 GSM. I know, that sounds like a lot of numbers, but this towel is a must-have for a deeper clean. These towels are super absorbent, which means they pick up dirt and liquids quickly, leaving no streaks or residue behind. They're perfect for cleaning countertops, tables, and even appliances. Plus, they're color-coded, so you can assign each towel to a specific room or task. You can use green for the kitchen, blue for the bathroom, red for appliances, and yellow for dusting. This helps prevent cross-contamination and will keep you organized. If you haven't seen it already, we have a video specifically on how to color code your microfiber towels. The link will be in the description below. If you're like me and have pets, you know that cleaning up pet hair can be a never-ending battle. That's why I swear by these pickup pet hair removal mitts. They're an absolute game changer, and they pick up pet hair, lint, dander like a magnet, especially on those stubborn surfaces like velvet sofas or car upholsteries. Just slide it in your hand, and you can easily gather up all that pesky fur without any hassle. And the best part? It's reusable, so there is no need for disposable lint rollers. It's effective, quick, and satisfying. Next up, we have our Chenille Flex Duster. This is perfect for those hard to reach places like high ceilings, light fixtures, baseboards, ceiling fans, etc. The flexible handle lets you bend and twist it into any shape, making it super versatile. The microfiber chenille fibers trap dust and debris without leaving any mess behind. It's gentle but effective. Plus, the duster head is washable, so you can use it again and again. If you have glass and mirrors in your home, you know how frustrating streaks can be. That's why these glass weave glass cleaning towels are the perfect solution. These towels are specifically designed for glass surfaces and will make them crystal clear. The weave is so fine and soft that it doesn't leave any lint or streaks. Whether it's your bathroom mirror, windows, or even glass tabletops, these towels will leave everything gleaming. For floors, the CleanAide Mop System is my go-to. This isn't just any mop. This is a complete cleaning system that you can fully customize and put together. The twist yarn microfiber mop pads come in 3 different sizes and 4 colors. It traps dirt and absorbs liquid without pushing it around like traditional mops. The mop head swivels 360 degrees, which makes it super easy to get into corners and under furniture. Plus, the mop pads are machine washable, so you can reuse them over and over again. The mop plates come in the respective sizes of the mop pads and are made of premium quality aluminum. The mop pads attach with the hook and loop system and provide a sturdy clean every time. The telescopic mop pole has a comfortable grip and extends from 33 inches to 59 inches. That snaps and locks to attach to the mop plate frame. This pole helps to easily clean hard to reach places such as corners and underneath furniture. Now it's time for hands-on cleaning. The Terry Wash Mitt is perfect for cleaning surfaces like decor, countertops, and tables. They are super soft, absorbent, and can tackle both wet and dry messes. It fits comfortably on your hand, making it super easy to scrub surfaces without straining your wrist. And since it's made of high-quality Terry microfiber, it holds onto moisture for longer, making your cleaning process more efficient. Next up, we have our suede microfiber cleaning towels. These guys are absolutely fantastic for cleaning things like electronics, furniture, or even your mirrors and camera lenses. The suede texture is soft but durable, so you can safely clean sensitive areas without worrying about scratches. Plus, they're super absorbent, so they're great for picking up dust and wiping away smudges. And last but certainly not least, we have our 2-in-1 wash and scour sponge. This is the ultimate multitasker. One side is soft and perfect for washing, while the other side is a tougher scour that can handle those stubborn, sticky messes. I love this sponge because it makes scrubbing away tough messes so much easier. It's gentle on delicate surfaces but tough on grease and grime. And there you have it, are essentials for deep cleaning your house. Honestly, these products have saved me so much time and effort in my cleaning process. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, tough stains, or even dust, these essentials will make sure that your home stays spotless. If you are interested in our products, be sure to check out the description below. It's gonna have our links to our Amazon store and website. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell. Comment what kind of videos you want to see next, and don't forget to follow us on our social media. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.